Hi, Max here with Atlanta Dream Dogs. I've been training dogs now for over 10 years, and what I specialize in, what I really love doing is family dog training. I love coming into the home, working with mom, dad, the kids, the new puppy, just getting everybody involved in the training. One of the things that I find is important is as much about training the child, oftentimes, as it is about training the dogs. So the video you're about to see is just a short clip. My 5-year-old granddaughter Allegra just came to visit, and so this is my efforts trying to get her to not react in such a way that my puppy Lucy is going to be more reactive. Give it a look. You can look at our website, atlantadreamdogs.com. If you have any questions, if you have a puppy, if you have a situation with your family that you need some help with, give us a call. We'd love to talk to you, let you know how we can help you turn your dog into the dog of your dreams. Max with Atlanta Dream Dogs. Thanks. Lucy.
Lucy.
Sit.
Sit.
Good girl. Now pet her. Lucy, stay. Come on, pet her. No, come on. She's going to just pet her. Pet her. Come on. There you go. Don't just jump over that. Pet her a little bit. She likes it when you pet her. Nice and slow. Nice and easy. Nice and slow. Nice and easy. There you go. There you go. She's not going to spank you. She likes you. There you go. Good girl. Good Lucy. Yeah. Good Allegra. Yeah.
Good girl.
See, you could be a dog trainer like Papu.
I want to.
Lucy. Lucy.